I'm getting a new bag. Is it a bag?
It's as expensive as a bag.
Wait a second. Is this?
Cassandra!
Is this?
Well, we don't know her name yet. This is Hazel. Hazel's a really majestic dog. She's actually my dog, Jordan here. I got her when I was in college and she's always been really mature and really wise. This is Lola. Lola's technically Dani's dog. She got hit by a car and Dani found her on the side of the road. And then we adopted her and she likes really dark places. This is Furbo. Furbo is a connected device, treat dispenser, and camera all in one. It's pretty simple. You just take it out of the box, plug it into a wall, and then you have a connected camera to your home and to your pets at all times. The best part about Furbo is their mobile app. When Dani and I are out on the town, we are always able to keep tabs on our dogs and our home. The app has a number of different smart alerts. It will tell you if your dogs are barking. Hazel typically just barks at the mailman every day. It will keep a log of all the different activity that the camera picks up, and it even can tell the difference between your dogs just lounging around the house and another human in the home, whether they are supposed to be or not. The device will log all of your footage in a tab called the Doggy Diary. If you're a sentimental person, then this is great for memories. If you're us, it's great for tracking the last time Lola peed on the rug. Furbo is good for any proud pet owner always wanting to stay connected with their pups, and maybe spoil them with a treat now and then.
Here we go. Go get it, Lola.
Hey guys, it's Jordan, Dani's husband. So I really wanted to film this video. As most of you guys know, Dani has been going through hair loss. And so last week she filmed a video, and in that video she had kind of put together a lot of the clips that, you know, we had been sort of documenting behind the scenes about, you know, her crying through this journey of hair loss.
Because, like, I don't want to care so much about, like, what I look like, you know.
Her hiding through this journey of hair loss. Well, it's not lying. It's a lie by omission, which is a lie. But we're gonna not tell them, and we're gonna see if they recognize. You know, and then finally towards the end, you know, and I guess about 2 weeks ago maybe, her really finding peace and comfort in this journey of hair loss. And what I wanted to do is, when we were in LA, there was this one, we went to the wig shop, as we showed in the last video. And when we went to the wig shop, you know, there was this one wig that was a little bit more, definitely more expensive, because it was like human hair. And then it was a little bit more, I would say, edgy, just totally different than Dani's normal style. I remember when we were at the wig shop, she was wearing this one wig and it just made her like light up, because when she looked in the mirror, I could just tell she felt like I don't know, it was like almost like she had been going through this really emotional journey, and then when she put that wig on, it just felt like she was like a different person. Like she was able to transport and like be like a sassier, edgier side of Dani. And so I know that she really loved that wig. And so I decided to buy that wig for her and surprise her with it tonight. It's been about, I guess, a week since she's kind of gone live with the announcement, and I just really wanted her to have this now that she's on in such a better place with like this wig journey and the hair loss journey. And so I wanted to share this story with you guys as well, just because I felt like it's now a part of, I mean, everyone's invested in the story, and it's, you know, relating to so many people. And so I'm sure she's going to talk about this new wig and share details about it, and she'll dress up in it. And so I just kind of wanted to try and get this part on camera because I thought it would be fun. And so I'm going to bring her in here and we're going to unbox this new wig and see if she's excited about it. Okay, so I am so proud of you. and everything that you've done to be brave and talk about hair loss and stuff like that. Look, you got your wig cap. Okay, let's put that aside. So I know that there was something in LA that you really liked, if you remember, and I just
LA.
We talked about it being like Christmas.
The car?
No, not a car.
Oh.
We talked about like a Christmas present. I'm kind of ruining it, so I'm just gonna grab it, but I don't know. I don't know how to wrap things, so I put it in an Amazon box. But
the Golden Goose sneakers?
No, but we talked about it, and I just want you to know that I'm
Nordstrom.
Well,
Ooh.
okay, just open it.
I'm getting a new bag. Is it a bag?
It's as expensive as a bag.
Wait a second. Is this?
Cassandra.
Is this?
Well, we don't know her name yet.
Y'all, I wanted this so badly. Oh,
I know. So
guys, this is my sassy wig.
That's exactly what I said, actually.
Yo, this is like the one that like, it's like actually my alter ego.
I know.
Wait, can I try it on?
Yeah, try it on. So I told them that we didn't get it because it was kind of like, oh, wait.
It was really expensive.
I got you a new wig cap too.
Wow, thank you, babe. How much was this?
$1. But it comes with two. But we talked about to them, or I told them that this was like not the wig we got because it was a little bit more expensive.
Yeah.
And it wasn't like an everyday wig. But now, since you've introduced wigs, I think you've worn a pink wig, a silver wig, a gray wig, and everything in between. So I felt like you deserved a human hair sassy wig.
I haven't worn those in public, just like around the house.
Yeah, I mean, basically, you went from like being ashamed or scared of wearing wigs to like totally owning them. And so I felt like this was a good thing.
I'm so excited.
But I figured what we could do is you could try it on, wear maybe a sassy outfit, and we could go out tonight.
You taking me out on the town?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Wait, I'll go try it on.
Yeah, go put it on.
And I have my red lips on, so this is perfect.
She's gonna go put it on.
Okay, anyway, I'm gonna show you guys how I put her on. I'm so excited to try it on. So this is a wig cap. I always wear a wig cap just because it helps it stay on and keeps all of my hair inside of it throughout the day. So you just put this on your head like this. I have a low bun in the back, and I'm just gonna pull this up just above my hairline, like barely. This is always an interesting look. I'm gonna make sure that all of my hairs around here are tucked. I'm gonna tuck them up, tuck it up, tuck, tuck, tuck. Okay, so here she is. So y'all, the reason why this Mamacita is so expensive is because this whole wig is hand tied. Human hair, hand tied, beautifully made by Jon Renau. I don't know, all my 3 favorite wigs are from Jon Renau. And this is what the inside looks like. So it has straps where you can adjust it if you have a smaller head. I learned that I have a pretty big head. I used this guy to measure my head, and you're supposed to measure like right above your temples, and my head was like 23.5, which was like, I think pretty big. So I have a pretty big head. I don't know. I really like the color of this because the you can see the roots are darker, so it makes it look more natural. Here is the front lace, which also is really nice. She's pretty straight right now, but the way I put it on is I just flip it over like so, put my hands or my thumbs on the side tabs. There's tabs on like all the Jon Renau wigs, and the tabs are gonna go like just on my temples to make sure that the wig is even. So I'm gonna flip my head over like so. All right. Now, when you first flip, it's gonna make it look like you don't have a forehead. So then what you wanna do from here is, I usually just kind of pull it up without trying to take the wig cap off. It just takes practice. I'm still learning. Here she is. Ooh, shabam. She's sassy. She's a sassy mamacita. Ooh. I like her a lot. I tried her on when I was in LA and I was like, no, this is too much. It's too much, like, not like my personality, because I feel like this is just very chic.
Ooh, look at you. So tell us about your outfit.
So my outfit is from American Eagle.
Oh, well, okay.
And it's cute.
You like it with your new hair?
I love it.
Do you love your new hair?
I love it. I love it because it's like my good summer hair.
Honestly, it looks really, really good. It's probably my favorite.
Really?
Well, Stephanie was my favorite before, you know.
Well, this is like almost like a straight version of Stephanie.
Yeah.
You know?
You just look more fierce in it for some reason.
The difference between this one and Stephanie is Stephanie has bangs and this one does not.
Oh, you're right.
So that's the difference. So Stephanie's like
It's so weird because I
sweeter.
usually like bangs.
Well, I think that everybody just likes whenever you change your hair up.
Yeah.
You know? Like you just like something new.
Yeah.
That's the issue.
Well, you
So
look cute.
I'm ready to go. I'm hungry.
Okay. You ready to go to dinner? Okay, guys, you gonna hold down the fort, Hazel?
We'll be checking up on you.
We're gonna check up on you with our little Furbo. Lola. Come on. Lola, come here. Let's go walk.
I already took him up.
Should we give him a treat just before we leave? Or should we wait till we're at dinner?
Let's do it while we're at dinner.
Okay, we'll do it while we're at dinner. Look how sad she always looks. We're gonna talk to you when you're gone. See what you say.
Date night.
Everyone introduce yourselves.
I just made 2 new friends.
You just made
2 new friends at the Alice. I'm Skylar.
Okay.
I'm Emma.
Okay. And you guys both work here, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And you just met Dani.
And I met Emma at first when we walked in, and she said that she shopped Nordstrom sale, which is like half the reason.
Yes.
So mean. Like,
We have been exhausted from that sale.
okay, did you buy it? I haven't yet. I'm working on it.
Guys, we're actually here to celebrate because Dani just got new hair.
Okay, I saw all your Amazon ones. Oh, I have gone. How do you like it? You like it? I like this one. I feel
This one's my favorite
I
one.
haven't named her yet. If you got the ideas, like let me know.
Wait, yeah, that would actually be good. What would you guys name her?
Kelly.
Kelly, why?
I don't know. It's like my mind. I feel like Kelly is like cute.
This is supposed to be like the sassiest wig that Dani has. So it's gotta be kind of a sassy
I
name.
wear like crop tops and like big white chunky sneakers.
Yeah.
And like that type of vibe. Cause like I feel like my other wigs are like that's like basic stuff. It's like fun having personality. Like it is so much fun. Yeah.
Okay, what would you name her?
I love KK actually.
KK?
So I just stick with that. Yeah.
So KK, Kim, and Stephanie.
Oh my gosh. Yeah. Okay. Well, I don't want to keep y'all too. I feel
Yeah.
like
Are they in trouble?
they actually got mad.
They did?
I'm sorry.
I know. You know
I
what?
just had to.
They were your friends.
Well, you kept asking questions too, and I was like, I feel bad. Like,
I know. I was the chatty Cathy. It was
yeah,
my
I
fault.
was like, I think they need to go.
That was so nice, though. They were so sweet.
They were sweet.
Just sweethearts. You think they're in the Sassy Club?
I don't know. I feel so bad and I can't focus.
Okay, dinner time. I got the salmon and avocado Cobb salad. Dani got the, what'd you get?
I got the mango chicken with quinoa.
Ooh, that looks pretty good. Usually we share.
So we are currently trying to decide if we want to go home and watch a movie or go get ice cream. So Jordan wants to go get ice cream. I kind of want to go home and see the pups because we've been working so much. I haven't seen my babies in a while and I feel like they miss their mama.
This video is sponsored by Furbo, so
So this is perfect. Actually, can you pull over? Can we
honestly,
pull up?
I've always wanted to know, because we just got this, I've always wanted to know what it's like when we're not there. Like,
with the dogs.
What do they do?
Like, what are the dogs doing?
Like, what if they hang out and they're like friends, but like
Yeah.
when we get there, they like pretend like they're not friends?
Like the
'Cause
secret
usually-
life of pets.
Yeah, usually they don't really interact that much.
I'm so, wait, can you pull over? Can we pull up the
Yeah.
footage of the dogs?
Man, they are so unresponsive.
Where's Hazel? Hazel's probably like passed out.
Look, she sees. Oh, it just tossed another one. Look, she's going to get it. Lola.
Go get the treat, Lola. This is so cute.
Oh, she found it.
Oh my gosh, cutie. Oh, I'm so happy. Lola, what are you doing, Lola?
Look, she's so confused. I'm tossing another one.
Lola, can you hear me? Lola, can you look? Lola.
She just tossed. This is the most entertaining thing I've ever. I love it. I love it.
Wait, toss another one. Lola, come back. She's like, these treats suck. Oh, Lola.
I think I have.
Say what you said. My arm's getting tired.
So oh. Just put it right here.
Oh.
So I told Dani.
Wait, you just like let it down, like let it go.
No, because then it's gonna.
Okay.
So I told Dani that. What did I say?
You said that you know what you said.
You don't even remember.
You said that you see pretty girls all the time.
Oh yeah, I said that my benchmark has just changed. Like, I said that I feel like I now have like a different gold standard of what pretty looks like, because now I'm just comparing everyone to you, and there's barely ever that I see anyone that's prettier than you. You know what was happening? Okay, so what was happening was that Dani was like looking at this girl on Instagram, and she was like, oh my gosh, she's so cute. And I was like, yeah.
I was like, this girl is beautiful.
I was like, yeah, like she's okay.
And I was like, are you crazy? I was like, if you don't think she's pretty, then how do you think I'm pretty?
She was like, what, if you don't think that this girl is pretty, then what do you think of me? And I said, well, you're the gold standard. I said, I think you're the prettiest person ever, and so I compare everyone to you, and no one ever matches up.
It was very sweet.
But I meant it. I wasn't just saying it to.
It was just very sweet.
I love you, baby. And I also said, now I get to see a new girl every day, pretty much. These wigs. They're all new to me.
Okay, shut this thing off.
They're all new to me. Okay, are we all here? Family meeting.
Is the sound on?
Oh goodness. Yes. Okay, are we all here? Family meeting. We're here to talk about
what are you wearing?
Oh crap, I forgot. That's okay.
Just tell them what it is. It's your.
Okay, guys, I have been wearing this. What's it called? Dani calls it a back brace. It's not a back brace. It's more of a posture corrector, because everyone's been calling out my posture lately. So it holds my shoulders back. I kind of forget that I have it on sometimes.
We talked about it in the car.
But anyway, we're going to have a family meeting because you guys don't listen to us on the Furbo.
Well, Lola did.
What's up with that, Hazel?
Well, Hazel's like passed out on like
You're
the
passed
third
out
floor,
waiting for us on the first floor. You want to do our outro?
Sure.
Okay, go for it.
Alright guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that you like the new one.
When are we going to see a fourth wig?
I don't know.
Oh. Keeps them guessing.
But yeah, I hope that y'all enjoyed this. Thank you so much for my treat. I'm so excited. And thank you Furbo for sponsoring this video and taking care of my pups whenever we're gone and out and about. So I love you guys, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.
Bye.